Welcome to Emmelac Online Tutorial. Let us look at this tricky SAT question. Alright, and it reads that if 4x plus 2y equals 6, find 16 raised to x times 4 raised to y. So how do you go about it? Most students are confused because here you have a linear equation, okay, with two variables. However, the question is telling you about an exponent. Okay, so now it's very easy. Let's get started. Before you get to answer this kind of question, you need to recall some of the exponent relationship, okay, and one of it which we'll be applying in this tutorial is if you have a raised to x times a raised to y. Now, as long as they have the same base, all you just need to do is take one of the base and add the exponents. Okay, all right, so that's the rule or the law we'll be applying here. However, it's important to note that here you have a base of 16 and here you have a base of 4. The first thing for us is to reduce 16 to a base of 2 and also reduce 4 to a base of 2. And that brings us to 16. That should give us 2 raised to 4. Take note, all raised to x. Then times 2 raised to 2 all raised to y. And that's because 16 here is the same as 2 raised to 4. Y 4 here is the same as 2 raised to 2. Okay, and another law of exponent that we need to recognize is when you have a raised to n, okay, all raised to, let's say, m, this gives us a raised to mn, and that's because this 12 exponent multiplies to give us this. Okay, so if you apply that rule here where this multiplies and this multiplies, so we end up having 2 raised to 4x then times 2 raised to 2x. Then we just need to come over to this rule and apply it here, and that gives us 2 raised to 4x plus 2y, and that's because we now have the same base. Okay, so to this end, now let us recall from the question that 4x plus 2y equals 6. So all we just need to do now is to replace this exponent, okay, with its value, which is 6. So here we have 2 raised to 6, which is the same thing as saying 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, take note, this is 8 and this is 8. Now 8 times 8 will give us what? 64 as the final answer. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.